So in today's video, all of these people that are over here are gonna try hunting me down.
But I'm not putting green
Well,
and I know play.
What? Okay. Anyway, I try
I'm
hiding.
muting you. I'm cheating.
The first person to kill me gets 12 billion company coins.
Wait, I need an item. I need an item, though. I need an item.
Can I'll just be teleporting, you know, so that way you guys never know where I'm gonna be.
Okay, so I start off this challenge by going in the mines.
What I'm going to be putting the camera down so they don't know where I'm going. No, I'm still trying to find a place. There's a spider right next to me. Guys, they're never gonna know. They're actually never gonna know.
They're such losers. They're never gonna know. They're actually never gonna know.
Okay, here's where I thought I found the perfect hiding spot, but someone found me like 2 seconds later.
Gamer, don't run. I see him. I saw him. Stop running. No, I can't see no more. Yes, I found you. No, you can't.
I bet.
You can't.
You're gonna be dead. Bye. I just deleted a spider web. Yeah, don't tell anyone though. Don't tell anyone.
Everybody, he's in mines.
No. I said don't tell anyone.
But I have to hide with you now.
Yeah, we're gonna have to.
Oh, I know.
Okay, because some more people found me, I decided to try hiding in a golem cave, which was a horrible idea.
Oh shoot! Everyone, be careful. The first person that comes close to me is gonna die. I have armed weapons on me.
Yep, I found him.
Boy, what's up, boy?
Come here.
Holy crap!
He's over here. Everybody, he's over this way. He's in this way.
Okay, I'm kind of confused that they didn't see me here.
Oh, shoot. I'm dealing with this guy. He's this way. Wait, he's right here. Here. No!
Come on. What's up, gang?
Oh, I found you! No! He teleported.
Okay.
Okay, this is where everybody saw me, so get ready for some chaos.
Oh, I see you.
I found you!
Bro, you did.
Okay, there was like 12 stuff hitting me at once, but I somehow managed to survive. Okay, it took someone a long time to find me, so I'm gonna skip to where they did find me.
Guys, he didn't say we could.
Yeah, he's in here! He's in here! He's over there!
Okay, I was being pretty sneaky here, so no one found me. It took them like 10 minutes just to find me in this hiding spot, so here's where they did.
I see him.
all, I was hiding from him for a while, and he still can't catch me.
No.
Also, the next 2 minutes is me just running from this guy, so yeah.
Please stop running away.
You have to kill me!
It's almost impossible because
Womp womp! Chat, this is loud.
I was moments away from death.
Yeah? No witnesses? Oh crap!
but how am I taking
Let's go.
the camera?
Because everyone knew I was in mines, I decided to go somewhere else.
Teleporting.
Okay, get ready for something insane.
I'm at 1 HP! 1 HP, I'm at 1 HP! Guys, I'm in my home. Someone try hitting me.
I see him.
Oh shoot.
Here's where the whole lobby's trying to kill me.
No! I was not supposed to be seen. Wait, I just got my controller. Everyone stop. Help me! No! The lady's right there. No, you have to. No. Where'd you go? Monetized. I lost. He's over here. What's up, guys? Hey, he's right there.
By the way, this is where I died. It's so funny.
Wait, who killed me? Who killed me? Whoever killed me, come up! Yo, he actually killed me!
Alright, I'm back. You deserve your very own new flavored grape Coke. No, you're not stealing it, boy.
Yeah,
Come here,
I killed you, I think. Wait, did I?
No,
Yeah, I
it was
did
the
it.
other guy. He was the guy that was like
I
hunting me down.
killed Red Pug and I don't know
Why would I help me?
Okay, yeah, I don't even know what's happening. Okay.
Do not know.
Yes, the
You
lane
guys don't.
Yes, the lane Do I keep this fit from now on?
You guys,
Or do I do the old one?
You guys, haunted mansion ladies like right over there.
What?
Haunted mansion.
You like the old
Camera.
fit?
Give me the camera! Give me the camera!
Okay.
I want the
The old
camera!
fit is
You
not
guys.
good, but I'll put the old fit
Over
on.
there. Over.
And put your oldest fit on.
Do the fit that I had on from my last live stream.
If you give me the camera, I'll call you Skibbity. And I like and I'm already liking and subscribe.
I'm probably gonna be keeping this fit though because people kept calling me Pomni with the jester fit, so I'm probably not gonna be wearing that.
You guys, important news. Haunted mansion ladies, Bataclan.